ሰላም ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? የቻናላችን ቤተሰቦች እንደምን ቆያችሁ? በባለፈው ቪዲዮአችን ላይ ከተለያዩ ግቢ የተውጣጡ የፋይናል ጥያቄዎችን እየሰራንላችሁ ነበር። ዛሬ ደግሞ ሎጂክ ኤንድ ክሪቲካል ቲንኪንግ ከተለያዩ ግቢ የተውጣጡ የፋይናል ጥያቄዎችን የምንሰራላችሁ ይሆናል። ስለዚህ ለቻናላችን አዲስ የሆናችሁ ቻናላችንን ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ጀምሩ። እንዲሁም ቪዲዮቻችን ከተመቻችሁ ላይክ፣ ሼር፣ ኮፒ ሊንክ እና ኮመንት ማድረግ እንዳይረሳ። በተጨማሪ ደግሞ በየጊዜ የሚሰሩ ፓወርፖይንቶችንም ሆነ ሌሎች ተጨማሪ የፍሬሽማን ኮርስ ማቴሪያሎችን ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ በዩቲዩብ ቻናላችን ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ላይ የተቀመጠውን የቴሌግራም ቻናላችን ሊንክ ጆይን በማድረግ የአገልግሎቱ ተጠቃሚ መሆን ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። እስከ ቪዲዮ ፍጻሜ በደንብ ተከታተሉ። ነምበር 1 ዋት ኢዝ ፕራይመሪ ፎከስ ኦፍ ስቴዲ ኦፍ ሎጂክ? ሎጂክ የምናጠናበት ፕራይመሪ ፎከስ የሆነው የትኛው ነው? A. The structure of language. B. The analysis of argument. C. History of philosophy. D. Study of emotion. So the primary focus of study of logic will be the analysis of argument ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So the correct answer will be B. Number 2. How does language function in the study of logic? አንድ ላንጉዌጅ እንዴት ስቴዲ ኦፍ ሎጂክ ላይ ፋንክሽን ሊያደርግ ይችላል? It is a tool for artistic expression. B. It is a fundamental means of communication. C. It is a relevant component. D. It is a source of confusion. So the correct answer will be B. It is a fundamental means of communication ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Number 3. What is a key reason why understanding language is essential for evaluating argument? A. Language is always clear and precise. B. Many errors in logic stem from misuse of language. C. Language is not important in logic. D. All argument is straightforward. So understanding of language በአርጊመንት ኢቫሉዌሽን ላይ እንዴት ሊጠቅምልን ይችላል? So the correct answer will be B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። because many error in logic stem from misuse of language ስለሆነ። Number 4. What are cognitive meaning in language? በላንጉዌጅ ውስጥ ኮግኒቲቭ ሚኒንግ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? So A. It is a meaning that evoke feeling. B. Meaning that convey information. C. Meaning that are always subjective. D. Meaning that are vague. So the correct answer will be B. Meaning that convey information is the correct meaning of cognitive meaning. So B is the correct answer. Number 5. What is the significance of value claim in logic? በሎጂክ ውስጥ የቫሊዩ ክላይም ሲግኒፊካንሱ ምንድን ነው? A. They are irrelevant to argument. B. They convey cognitive meaning only. C. They help differentiate emotive meaning from cognitive meaning. D. They are always what? Factual. So the correct answer will be they help to differentiate emotive meaning from cognitive meaning ይሆናል ማለት ነው። C is the correct answer. Number 6. How does vagueness affect cognitive use of language? A. It clarifies argument. B. It introduces uncertainty. C. It has no effect. D. It simplifies language. So vagueness እንዴት cognitive use of languageን affect ያደርጋል? So B. It introduces uncertainty. vagueness ወርዶች uncertainty introduce በማድረግ cognitive የሆነ use of languageን affect ያደርጋሉ ማለት ነው። So B is the correct answer. Number 7. What is ambiguity in language? So በላንጉዌጅ ውስጥ ambiguity ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? A. It is a lack of clarity in meaning. B. It is a term with multiple meaning in context. C. It is an expression that is always clear. D. It is a linguistic flow with no resolution. So ambiguity is correct about ambiguity in language will be it is a term with multiple meaning in the context. B is the correct answer. Number 8. What distinguishes verbal dispute from factual disputes? A. Verbal disputes are irrelevant. B. Factual disputes arise from misunderstanding of cognitive meaning. C. Verbal dispute focus on emotional argument. D. Factual dispute focus on emotional argument. So verbal dispute ከፋክቹዋል dispute የሚለያየው the correct answer which deals about this question will be B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። so factual dispute arise from misunderstanding of cognitive meaning የሚለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Number 9. What is intentional meaning? A. The qualities or attribute of the term connotes. B. The member of class that the term denotes. C. A synonym for ambiguity. D. A vague expression. So intentional meaning in express የሚያደርግልን word የትኛው ነው? So the correct answer will be A. The quality or attribute that the term connotes, which deals about the intentional meaning. A is the correct answer. Number 10. What does extensional meaning refers to? Extensional meaning ደግሞ ስለምንድን ነው ሪፈር የሚያደርገው? A. The subjective feeling associated with the term. B. The actual object or member denoted by term. C. The ambiguity in term meaning. D. The emotional impact of language. So extensional meaning is a type of meaning which deals about listing of what a member or classን ወይም memberን ሊስት በማድረግ አንድን ተርም ዲፋይን የሚያደርግልን ሚኒንግ ኤክስቴንሽናል ሚኒንግ ይባላል። ሰው ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር ዊል ቢ ቢ ይባላል። ቢ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። the actual object or member denoted by a term. B is the correct answer. Number 11. Which of the following statement is true regarding definition? A. Definition are unnecessary in logic. B. Definition consists of definindum and definition. C. All definition are ambiguous. D. Definition can only be motive. So the correct answer will be B. Definition consists of definindum and definition. Number 12. What is stipulative definition? A. It is a definition that captures common usage. B. It is a definition that assigns new meaning to the word. C. Definition based on personal opinion. D. Definition that is universally accepted. So the correct answer will be B. It is a definition that assigns new meaning to the word. So B is the correct answer. Number 13. What is the main focus of lexical definition? So A. Assign new meaning. B. To provide precise meaning based on common usage. C. To confuse reader. D. To avoid clarity. So the correct answer will be B. To provide precise meaning based on common usage ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Number 14. What technique is not used in extensional definition? A. Demonstrative definition. B. Synonymous definition. C. Enumerative definition. D. Subclass definition. So not used in extensional definition ውስጥ ያልተመደበው ቴክኒክ የትኛው ነው? So the correct answer will be B. Synonymous definition ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Synonymous definition intentional ቴክኒክ ውስጥ የሚመደብ ስለሆነ። Number 15. What does operational definition focus on? A. The emotional aspect of the term. B. The practical application or use of the term. C. The historical background of a term. D. The subjective meaning of a term. So operational definition mainly based focus on the practical application of the use of the term. B is a correct answer ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ወደ 16ኛ ጥያቄ ከማለፋችን በፊት ለቻናላችን አዲስ የሆናችሁ ቻናላችንን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ኮፒ ሊንክ፣ ሼር እና ኮሜንት ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። እንዲሁም በተጨማሪ በተለያዩ ጊዜ የሚሰሩ ፓወርፖይንቶችንም ሆነ ሌሎች ተጨማሪ የፍሬሽማን ኮርስ ማቴሪያሎችን ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ በዩቲዩብ ቻናላችን ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ላይ የተቀመጠላችሁን የቴሌግራም ቻናል ሊንክ ጆይን በማድረግ የአገልግሎቱ ተጠቃሚ መሆን ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ሰው አሁን ወደ ጥያቄ ነምበር 16. Which of the following is an example of persuasive definition? A. Defining justice as fairness. B. Defining freedom as absence of restriction. C. Defining environment as subject of concern of humanity. D. Defining knowledge as justified through belief. So the correct answer will be C. Defining environment as a subject of concern for humanity. C is the correct answer. Number 17. What is a key requirement of lexical definition? A. They must be vague. B. They should reflect common usage. C. They can be subjective. D. They must avoid clarity. So the correct answer will be B. They should reflect common usage, which deals about lexical definition. Okay, number 18. In the context of definition, what is the role of define? A. It is a term being defined. B. It provides the meaning of definition. C. It is always subjective. D. It is irrelevant to definition. So, በዲፊኒሽን ኮንቴክስት ዲፍኔን የሚባለው ወርድ ምንን ያመለክታል? The correct answer will be B ይሆናል። It provide the meaning of definition. የዲፊኒሽን ፕሮቫይድ ዲፊኒሽን ፕሮቫይድ የሚያደርግልን ዲፊኔን ይባላል። ዲፊኒሽን ደግሞ ዲፋይን የሚደረገው ወርድ ነው ማለት ነው። ሶ ቢ ኢዝ ኮሬክት አንሰር። 19 ዊች ኦፍ ፎሎዊንግ ቤስት ዲስክራይብ ዘ ኢሞቲቭ ሚኒንግ። ኢሞቲቭ ሚኒንግ እና ኮግኒቲቭ ሚኒንግ የሚባሉ ነገሮችን ከላይ እንዳየን ይታወቃል። ሶ ኢሞቲቭ ሚኒንግ ሜይንሊ ቤዝድ ኦን ኢቮኪንግ ፊሊንግ ኦር ኢሞሽን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶ ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር ዊል ቢ ቢ ደ ኢቮክ ፊሊንግ ኦር ኢሞሽን። ሶ ኢሞቲቭ ከሚለው ወርድ አንጻር ይህን መመለስ ይችላለን በአጭሩ ማለት ነው። Number 20. How can vagueness be defined? A. When the term has single clear meaning. B. Term has no clear boundary of application. C. Term is always factual. D. Term is universally understood. So vagueness in defines ስናደርግ so it is a term is no clear boundary of application ሲኖር vagueness እንላለን ማለት ነው። B is the correct answer. 21. What is a common problem associated with ambiguous expression? A. They are always clear. B. They can lead to multiple interpretation. D. They have no effect on argument. C. D. They simplify communication. So the correct answer will be B. They can lead to multiple interpretation, which is mainly deals about what ambiguous or ambiguity. 22. Which of the following best describe an example of verbal dispute? A. Disagreement over fact. B. Misunderstanding of cognitive meaning. C. Conflict based on emotion. D. Disagreement about historical event. So the correct answer will be B. Misunderstanding of cognitive meaning ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 23. What is the significance of definition in logical analysis? So በሎጂካል አናሊሲስ ላይ የዲፊኒሽን ሲግኒፊካንስ የሆነው የትኛው ነው? A. They are unnecessary. B. They help to clarify meaning and reduce misunderstanding. C. They complicate argument. D. They are subjective interpretation. So the correct answer will be B. They clarify meaning and reduce misunderstanding. ሎጂካል አናሊሲሱ ለዚህ ሲግኒፊካንት ነው ማለት ነው። B is the correct answer. 24. What does it mean when term has empty extension? So አንድ ተርም ኤምፒቲ ኤክስቴንሽን አለው የምንለው መቼ ነው? በባለፈው ቪዲዮችን ላይ እንዳየን ኤምፒቲ ኤክስቴንሽን ማለት ፋሚሊውን ወይም ክላሱን ወይም መንበሩን ሊስት በሚያደርግበት ጊዜ ሊስቱ የመጨረሻ ሊስት ሲሆን ወይም ሌላ መንበር ክላሲፋይ ወይም ክላስ ወይም ሊስት ማድረግ ሳይቻል ሲቀር የሚፈጠር አይነት ኤክስቴንሽን ነው ማለት ነው ኤምፒቲ ኤክስቴንሽን የሚባለው። ሶ ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር ዊል ቢ ቢ ኢት ሃዝ ኖ ሜምበር ኢን ክላስ ይባላል። B is the correct answer. 25. Which of the following is not characteristics of cognitive meaning? የኮግኒቲቭ ሚኒንግ ካራክተሪስቲክስ ያልሆነው A. Convey information, it is characteristics. B. It is subjective. This is not characteristics. And the correct answer will be B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So the remaining are associated with the characteristics of cognitive meaning. 26. How do logicians usually restrict the meaning of connotation and denotation? ኮኖቴሽን እና ዲኖቴሽንን እንዴት ሎጂካሊ ሪስትሪክት ማድረግ ይቻላል? ሎጂሽያኖች እንዴት ሪስትሪክት ያደርጋሉ? ሶ they restrict them by adhering to conventional meaning. ኮንቬንሽናል ሚኒንግ ጋር አድሄር በማድረግ ወይም በማያያዝ ነው ማለት ነው። B is the correct answer. 27 what is lexical definition considered the most important type of definition? ሌክሲካል ዲፊኒሽን ለምንድን ነው ሞስት ኮመን ታይፕ ኦፍ ዲፊኒሽን የተባለው? ምክንያቱም ኢት ሪፍሌክት ኮመን አንደርስታንዲንግ ኦፍ ተርም ስላለው። ሶ ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር ፍሮም ዘ ሊስት ኦፍ ቾይስ ዊል ቢ ቢ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 28 what is the key characteristics of precise definition? So precise definition A assign new meaning, B clarify meaning of ambiguous term, C purely subjective, D avoid specificity. So precise ማለት precisely define ማድረግ ነው ማለት ነው። So the correct answer will be B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 29 in logical argument what should be the primary concern when using emotive charge statement? A to ignore their meaning, B to engage with their cognitive meaning separately, C to avoid emotional language entirely, D to amplify their emotional impact. So the correct answer will be B to engage with their cognitive meaning separately. ኦኬ ነምበር 13 የመጨረሻ ጥያቄ ነው የዚህ ቻፕተር። which type of definition focus on term usage in particular field or discipline? በፓርቲኩላር ፊልድ ወይም ዲስፕሊን ላይ ቤዝድ በመሆን ለአንድ ተርም ዲፋይን የሚያደርግልን ዲፊኒሽን ቴክኒክ የትኛው ነው ነው? ኤ ስቲፑሌቲቭ፣ ቢ ሌክሲካል፣ ሲ ቲዎሬቲካል፣ ዲ ፐርስፔሲቭ። ሰው ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር ዊል ቢ ሲ ቲዎሬቲካል ይሆናል ማለት ነው። የዛሬን ቪዲዮአችንን በዚህ ጋር እናበቃለን። ቪዲዮአችን ከተመቻችሁ ላይክ፣ ሼር፣ ኮፒ ሊንክ እና ኮመንት ማድረግ እንዳይረሳ። እንዲሁም በየጊዜ የሚሰሩ የተለያዩ ማቴሪያሎችን እና የፍሬሽማን ኮርስ ፓወርፖይንቶችን ለማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ በዩቲዩብ ቻናላችን ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ላይ የተቀመጠላችሁን የቴሌግራም ቻናል ሊንክ ጆይን በማድረግ የአገልግሎቱ ተጠቃሚ መሆን ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። በቀጣይ ቪዲዮ እስከምንገናኝ መልካም ቆይታ